Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Experience. My name is Mercy and I'm the host of this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the advanced page number in Word. We use it for different purposes. Today I'm going to use it to customize the page number format as well as to make page numbers continuous. In my last video, I showed you how to section a document. If you're yet to watch that, I will advise that you do so. The link is in the description below. Also watch the video on adding page numbers. Alright, so this document is already sectioned. Okay, when you section a document, you would notice that each section, the page number there starts at 1. Okay, for example, in this document, this is one section, these 2 pages here, and it starts at 1. If I go to the next section, the page number starts at 1. And I go to the next section, the page number starts at 1. That is the default. If that's not what you want, then I will show you today how to achieve a continuous page numbering from the previous section. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is to customize the page number. On this document, I want the Roman numeral as well as the Arabic numeral. The Arabic numeral is the standard number that we use every day. Okay, so for my title page as well as my table of contents page, I want it to be in Roman numeral. Okay, so I'm going to access the Insert tab and I'm going to click on the page number. I'll click on page number and I'm fine with the position and alignment, and I'm okay to show the number on the first page. I'll click on format and I'm going to go here and change the number format. I'm going to choose the Roman numeral. With the Roman numeral, the starting point is usually at 1. There's no starting at 0. And I'm going to click on OK and OK. So you can see that the number format has changed from the Arabic numeral to the Roman numeral. Now I'm going to go to the next one. The next pages or other pages in the document will still be in the standard Arabic numeral, and that's fine. Okay, however, I want this section to be numbered continuously from this section. So I'm going to click on here, go to the insert, come to page number, click on page number. I'm fine with this position and alignment and showing number on first page, and I'm going to click on OK or on format. And here you have to click on continue from previous section. Okay, continue from previous section and then click on OK, and you will see that the next session will be numbered continuously from the previous section. I'm going to do the same thing to other sections in the document, and here again I have this one. All right, insert page number format, and continue from previous section. I'll click on OK and view what I've done. And the next section is this one. I will do the same thing. Click on insert, click on page number, format, and continue from previous section. I'll click on OK, and again it's all numbered continuously from the previous section. And that is the end of the sections in the document, and that's how you achieve customizing the page number to use different page number formats and also making the page numbers continuous. I hope you've learned something today. How was your learning experience? If you have learned anything, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video.